Hi, my name is Tom Parker, and what you're about to hear is going to change your life. Over the next few minutes, you're going to be led into a little-known secret that allows ordinary people like you and I to make thousands of dollars online every single day from the comfort of their own home. Now, I'm not talking about trading or the stock market. I'm not talking about Bitcoin or any other so-called cryptocurrencies. And I'm certainly not talking about anything illegal. In fact, regular Joes are making in excess of $10,000 every single week from a completely legitimate website. And you don't need any special skills to use this site. You don't need any online experience, and you don't have to spend hundreds of hours hunched over your laptop to be successful. Take a look at this. That's $2,308.24 in one day. Here's $44,290.11 in 1 month. And that's a staggering $521,704.33 in 1 year. The money-making power of the website I'm about to tell you about really is incredible. But what's really surprising is that almost nobody knows about it. All you need is your computer and an internet connection. That's it. No more 9 to 5. No more rush hour traffic. No more boss breathing down your neck. Instead, you make money when you want to make money. Now, you might be thinking this all sounds too good to be true. And trust me, that's what I thought when I first came across the website. I'd been conned in the past by scammers who promised me the world, only to be left out of pocket. But not this time. I've now been using this website for just over 2 years, and in this time, I've made over $1 million in easy profits. And you can too. All you need to do to mirror my success is follow my advice to the letter. In just a minute, I'll show you a live demonstration of exactly what you need to do to make money. You won't believe how simple it is. So turn off the TV, ignore Facebook, and listen to what I'm about to say. What I'm offering you today is a real, genuine, completely legitimate way to make money online. And making money online isn't easy. Content marketing, Google Ads, digital networking, how far has it really gotten you? In fact, you're probably watching this now because you're tired of failing. You're fed up with money-making schemes that just don't work. Between long-winded marketing strategies that amount to nothing and the hundreds of scams you come across every day, it's easy to feel like giving up. But don't give up just yet. Because it is possible to make it. To quit the 9 to 5. To live the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine never having to answer to a boss ever again. Imagine being completely debt-free for the rest of your life.